Hey guys, this is Will from cryptofrombed.com, guys, and today another video for you guys. Today it'll be a bit different. I'll be looking at the top 3 biggest cryptocurrencies currently trading on the market. And as you guys see on the left here, this is the exact same chart, but the one on the left here was yesterday. And if you guys know, yesterday was a very terrible day for the crypto market. As you guys can see here, Bitcoin was down at least 20%. Some other ones were down 30-40%. IOTA was down at least 35%. And if you looked on the right side today, that does not look any better either, guys. We're here trading at 13,000 for Bitcoin, just above 13,000, and Ethereum still relatively cheap, around 600. Bitcoin Cash, on the other hand, has gone up quite a bit since yesterday. If you guys don't know that, went from about 1.2 now back up to almost 2.7. But nevertheless, let's just take a look and jump right ahead and in. If you guys watched my last Bitcoin analysis, the potential of the fact of what I called the long-awaited correction potentially to this key resistance right here, which would bring the price relatively low. But nevertheless, we see that price try to break through this key resistance. As you guys can see, price quickly jump back in, pushing the price all the way up to almost 16,000. Now price is going back down. This is very important for any of you guys who are trading Bitcoin or looking to invest in it. These could be, if prices manage to fall back to this key resistance, this may be a good opportunity to time, and of course have a pretty tight stop loss anywhere below 11,000. But nevertheless, guys, the current structure of Bitcoin does not worry me. This just seems like a massive volatility dip as of now. It just seems like it's just a short-term correction for now. And if you guys look here against BCH against the Bitcoin, you guys can see that, of course, you see the first bullish run here, and here the fact of a potential second bullish one occurring right here. A few things I'd like to mention. Of course, if you guys watched my previous Bitcoin Cash video, we of course have the spike due to the fact that the other Bitcoin hard fork was cancelled. So we see this massive spike in price as well as volume. But since then, Bitcoin Cash has been traveling in bullish channel, and of course here we see the recent boom in Bitcoin Cash as well as other cryptocurrency. But interesting is the fact that in basically just a day, Bitcoin Cash managed to move from 4,000. I'm sorry. This move upward was partly or mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin Cash was now added on Coinbase, so you can now buy directly, buy Bitcoin Cash directly through your bank account, because you can connect your bank account on your Coinbase platform, which basically will really open up for new buyers to jump back in buying Bitcoin Cash, guys. But again, let's go back to some technical analysis. As I said before, this is a very strong key support here. In fact, you can even draw one up here further down, as this would be called the ultimate key support right here. As you can see, price failed, quickly went down here. If we look in a bit closer, you can see here price dipped down here very quick. Buyers jumping back in, pushing price back up. Once again, sellers trying to really push Bitcoin Cash down again, but that didn't work, and buyers jump back in. Now we can see here prices now it's just basically you can see a lot of volatility in this range here, just above this key resistance. And now we see that price broke through this key resistance here, but failed to move beyond this level. Now price has once again broke through this key resistance. For Bitcoin Cash, I would definitely look for price to perhaps move below this level, or continue to break this key resistance. And of course, these key resistance above are levels you definitely need to take a look at if you are trading Bitcoin Cash. Now, finally, Ethereum. Ethereum to me looks very good. As you guys know, for a while, let me close this. It makes it a lot easier. Sorry. If you guys know As you guys know, Ethereum has been in a triangle structure for a while, since May against the US dollar. We see this breakout here. It was tested, well, pretty much 3 times in the support zone, but has managed to continue to move up, trading this range, but even then, to move even higher, to hit as high as 860. But something very interesting that I'd like to point out is the fact that when price had a massive fall, and this fall, we also see this massive dip in both Bitcoin Cash as well as Bitcoin. Interesting is the fact that it just barely touched this one's key support. This one's key resistance now acts as a key support. We see a quick move back up here, and now price is just trading well, I would say between this support zone right now. So for Ethereum, it would be very interesting to see if price will break through this support here, moving back down here to perhaps below $500, or we can see Ethereum move to the upside, back up to this key resistance right here at 650, and potentially moving forward. It's really hard to tell right now what's happening in the market. There's currently a lot of volatility. One last thing before I end the video, guys. I just think that this graph is extremely useful and you guys should definitely take a look. This has been the Bitcoin bull run, bullish run since the start of 2007, and as we can see here, we see a strong correction occurring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and in fact this is currently the worst pullback right now this year. As you guys can see here, price fell from about 19.5 all the way down to 11.2K. Anyway, guys, this could be interesting, as if this is just a short-term correction, we could potentially see gains at these proportion, guys, 80%, 230, 170. So if this is just a short-term pullback, guys, there's obviously we'll continue to see another a bullish run to the upside, and based on these numbers from the previous bulls, I'm estimating at least a gain of at least 150% if this is just a short-term pullback and not the long-awaited correction that some people are predicting. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe, and of course check out our link on Hashflare, and also please check out our donation, the list below. We really could use the support so we can keep providing analysis video for you guys for free.